Hey, welcome back. Why is an inspection pit classified as a confined space? The question that were asked in many safety exams. Let's make it clear. If you work in automotive repair, maintenance, or any facility with vehicle inspection areas, you need to understand this. Inspection pits might look like simple work areas, but legally and safety wise, they are classified as some of the most dangerous confined spaces. Let's break down exactly why. What is a confined space? First, let's define what we're talking about. According to UK Confined Spaces Regulations 1997 and OSHA standards, a confined space is any enclosed or partially enclosed place where, because of its design, there arises a reasonably foreseeable risk. Think tanks, vats, silos, pits, trenches, pipes, sewers, and wells. The key thing, these spaces are large enough for people to enter and work, but they have limited or restricted entry and exit points, and they are not designed for continuous occupancy. A confined space must meet these criteria. Large enough to enter and perform work. Limited openings for entry and exit. Not designed for people to work in continuously. A specified risk of confined space. Confined spaces are classified based on specified risks, hazards that are reasonably foreseeable. Risk 1. Fire or explosion. Can occur when flammable vapors accumulate, vehicle fuel spills, paint fumes, cleaning solvents, all potential ignition sources. Risk 2. Loss of consciousness from heat. Picture welding work inside an enclosed vessel. Heat stress can cause rapid incapacitation. Risk 3. Asphyxiation from gas, fume, or lack of oxygen. This is the big one. Poor ventilation means carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and exhaust fumes build up. Workers lose consciousness and die. Risk 4. Drowning water or liquids inadvertently entering the space. An inspection pit can flood during maintenance or cleaning operations. Risk 5. Asphyxiation from free-flowing solids. Materials like grain, sand, or debris can bury workers. They become trapped and suffocate. Why inspection pits are confined spaces? An inspection pit is an enclosed or semi-enclosed space below ground level. Workers must descend through a limited access point, usually a ladder or steps. There's typically only one way in and one way out. That's confined space criteria number 1 and 2 right there. Atmospheric hazards. Here's the main danger: poor ventilation. When a vehicle idles above the pit, exhaust gases like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide get trapped. There's no natural airflow to clear it. Workers breathe contaminated air and can lose consciousness within minutes. Physical hazards. Falls, slips on the ladder or stairs going up and down. Falling objects, tools or debris dropping from above. Head injuries, low ceilings, cramped spaces. Confined space entrapment. Limited movement means harder rescue. Real world examples. Example 1. Carbon monoxide poisoning. A mechanic works in an inspection pit while a vehicle idles directly above co-accumulates. After 15 minutes, he feels dizzy. After 20 minutes, he loses consciousness. Without monitoring equipment and proper ventilation, this is fatal. Example 2. Flash flooding. Heavy rain outside. Water enters the facility. The pit floods while a worker is inside. They drown. This has happened. Inspection pit covers must be in place and secure. Example 3. Oxygen deficiency. Paint thinners used above the pit release vapors. They are heavier than air, so they sink down into the pit. A worker's oxygen intake drops from 21% to dangerous levels. They're unaware until it's too late. OSHA requires oxygen levels between 19.5% and 23.5% to enter without breathing apparatus. What you must do. If you work with inspection pits, here's what must happen. Before entry, complete a risk assessment. Identify all hazards. Test atmospheric conditions, oxygen, flammable gases, toxins. Ensure oxygen is 19.5-23.5%. Install proper ventilation. Obtain a permit if required. Arrange rescue equipment and trained personnel. Equipment required: gas detection meters, mechanical ventilation, harnesses and retrieval equipment, first aid kit, emergency contact information posted. An inspection pit is a confined space because it has limited entry and exit. 2. It has poor natural ventilation. 3. It creates hazardous atmospheres. 4. It poses multiple specified risks: asphyxiation, fire, drowning, collapse. 5. Workers cannot easily escape in an emergency. 6. It requires specialized rescue efforts. If your workplace has inspection pits, your employer must have a confined space program in place. If they don't, that's a serious legal violation. If you're entering one without proper testing, ventilation, and rescue arrangements, you're risking your life.